Hi all and welcome back to my channel. That's me again, your great NSC in the place to be. Yeah, now I have just end up to build all this here together. I was just about to change, we can say, a CPU to a notebook. Why I do this video is just simply because I just want to share this with you guys if this will work or not, because when you upgrade your CPU on a notebook, it's not always sure if this will work or not. Okay, this is not the same like on motherboards from computers. When you will, let's say, when you buy a motherboard from Asus, you can go to the Asus web page, you can go to the internet, and then you will be able to search which CPUs this motherboard will support or not. But on notebooks, it's not always that easy. So notebooks, you will not be able to find out somewhere if this CPU that you want to upgrade will be supported or not. And also, when you go to, let's say, to the notebook site and you will download the BIOS update on the notebooks, it's always a bit complicated, and it's not that often that you wanna or that you're gonna be sure if the CPU will work or not. But on this one here, I have just, we can say, buy me a better CPU. This is an old notebook. This is one from eMashines. I have not just, like I told, built all together, and I just want to share this with you guys. If this will work or not, I don't know. But if not, I will let the video also in YouTube so that you guys can see what will happen. And yeah, I don't know. Let's see and find out if this will work. I think normally to 80%, I'm sure that this will work, because the other CPU that I have just talked has nearly the same specs, and this is one of the most important things. So here, like you can see, it's all just finished done. I need to replace here a memory, and then we're gonna see if this will boot up or not. So if you will be able to boot, you can be lucky. So now the CPU here, the old one was Intel T4200, which has 2 gigahertz. This is a dual core CPU. It has 1 megabyte cache, like you can see, and it has 800 front side bus. So the newer, or we can say the old new CPU that I have bought is the T4500. It has also 1 megabyte, it has also 800 front side bus, but it has 2.3 gigahertz. So the most, like I told, I just have to take care that the most specs still stays the same, because when you take a CPU that is, we can say, too powerful, then it can be that the BIOS will not support it, because the CPU maybe will need more voltage. And that's why you need to take care. If you upgrade it, you should also take care that you just use the same specs. And if this is, yeah, we can say more or less great chosen, if you have chosen it great, the computer will start. But maybe also not, because it really conforms how the BIOS or the BIOS was programmed, which CPUs will be supported or not. But let's just find out. I don't want to talk here anymore. This is for today my third video. I'm still sick, but I just wanted to share this with you guys. So now my daughter will take the smartphone. Here we go. She knows already very good how to make some videos. And before I forget, I just want to tell you the, we can say, model is so let's take this to the other side. This is the model. Yes, right now. It's the eMashines E725 series. Okay, a very old one. This was, I think, Vista. Yeah, Vista times. Let me see what was going on here. I think this was Vista. Whatever, doesn't care. Here we go. eMashines E725 series. Okay, so here normally you will have just a CPU with 2 gigahertz, and it was, like I told, let's see again, T4200. Okay, so now let's see if I have luck or not. I got now just installed a little bit, yeah, stronger CPU inside. Now let's go here for a memory. we will need to get it in, of course. So all cool. I'm kind of nervous because I don't know if this will work, but I think yes, because I have really just checked it out that I got also 800 front side bus. Sometimes you can find it also with, we can say, 1066 front side bus and all the rest. And you can also find the CPU with about 2 megabyte cache, but it can be that when the specs will be too much, that it will not work. So guys, please don't forget what I'm talking about, because I have done this a lot of times. But now here on this notebook, I have never done it before. Let's check this out. And when it will boot, we can be lucky, or let's say my daughter, because it's her notebook. So now here I will take again, and let's see, here's the power button. Wish me luck, guys. Yeah, it's booting. Great. Here we go. Yeah, it's right written here, T4500 at 2.3 gigahertz. Yeah, and this is, yeah, a dual core, not to forget. So it will bring a little bit more performance. If you later gonna install here a HDD, or let's say a SSD, then you will get, of course, more performance. And yeah, I like it. So let's just check this out here. 2 gigahertz, 2 gigabyte of memory. Boot, blah blah blah. Yeah, it seems to work, guys. It seems to work. Now later, when I will just get into Windows, I'm gonna check the temperatures. Yeah, a lots of work here still. When I will end up this all, and when something goes wrong or whatever, I'm gonna write this in my description down, okay? But if I have, yeah, written nothing on my description, then it's all okay, guys. So you can be sure, if you have nearly the same notebook, now you know how you can upgrade your CPU. The most important is really that you check, or that you control, that you just take the specs that you just use, more or less, we can say the same specs, okay? So here, it's, I think, socket 478, a notebook, Intel T4200 with 2 gigahertz. Now we got one with 2.3 gigahertz. Just install here a SSD, and you will have a lot of more performance. It will boot faster, it will work faster, and it's okay for an old thing like that, okay? So you have not destroyed some money. I paid for, we can say, the better processor. I have paid 6 euros, guys. You can get this now just really very cheap. This old stuff, you can get it very cheap, guys. So it's the perfect time to do stuff like that, because you can get high-end components right now that are, let's say, 2 or 3 years older. You can get it a lot cheaper, and that's why I'm just showing you this. So guys, again, I want to end the video. eMashines, E725, blah blah blah. Yeah, let's just do a hard reset here. So, and here we go. Okay, so again, I am really tired. This is now for today my 3rd or 4th video, and I'm still sick. So yeah, here again, eMashines model E725. Model number KAWF0 or O, I don't know. Okay guys, this was all for me. Again, NSC in the place to be. Stay tuned on my channel, and see ya soon. Bye bye.